RHS Pre-Calculus presents Peter Pan's Adventures in Imaginary Numberland. Once upon a time, Peter Pan was in imaginary Numberland. Then came Captain Complex, who had only one hand. Peter had to feed him to the crocodile, who was swimming in the river Nile. But Peter had to convert from standard form to trig form first in order to quench his own mathematic thirst and know at what angle to shoot Captain Complex. He tried 3 times to no avail until Tinker Bell came and told him he was a fail.
You're not converting right, and you need to use your brain to the fullest might. Look there, Peter. It's Captain Complex on a complex plane. Looking from the origin, oh my, Captain Complex was sitting on coordinate -2, -2 root 3i, or the number -2 minus 2 root 3i.
Catch him!
Not yet. First, we need to draw a triangle from there to there from the origin. The next step is to find r, which we can find by using this formula, r squared equals a squared plus b squared. So -2 squared equals plus -2 root 3 squared equals r squared equals 16, which simplifies to r equals 4, if you know what I mean.
Right, Tinkerbell. I do see what you mean.
We just found r, so that means the answer isn't far. Next is find angle theta using tangent. Using superior mathematical intellect, r cosine theta plus r I sine theta is the same as a plus bi, so there isn't any need to redirect. Factor r out of that equation, you'll get r cosine theta plus I sine theta, and we'll be ready to start an invasion.
We're not done yet, though, are we?
Not yet, because we already found b and a values given above. Tangent theta equals b over a, so we perform that operation. We get tangent theta equals square root 3, which occurs at pi over 3 and 4 pi over 3. Almost there, Peter Pan. We now look back at the graph and find that this line goes down. This line coincides with 4 pi over 3. Remember this equation? R cosine theta plus I sine theta? We have r and we have theta. All we have to do is plug those values in.
So, does that mean that our equation is 4 cosine 4 pi over 3 plus I sine 4 pi over 3?
Right you are. Now we can defeat Captain Complex.
The captain was introduced to the croc, who finished him off faster than the common flintlock. Then Peter Pan and Tinker Bell rejoiced.
We finally defeated Captain Complex, Tink!
They all kicked back in laughter, then finally lived happily ever after.